Hi guys, how you doing? Just want to give a quick shout out for John Crestani's Internet Jet Set program. So far what I've seen is just absolutely amazing. It's just, wow, the modules are very informative. The information a lot of this stuff I've never experienced or seen, and after just being in the course for a short period of time, John said I would be able to make my first commission, which I did in 2 hours. I can't believe it. So I'm really excited about that, and I wanted to say that anybody who has been spinning the wheels like I have been for a few years, and yeah, I sure made some money, but not steady. And this has given me the inspiration, the strength, and a lot of things, mindset, especially mindset, to go forward and finally start earning what I call a consistent income. And I know a lot of you are into that or are there now, and I urge you to join us on Internet Jet Set and learn how to really effectively market, where you can generate 10,000 to 100,000 or more per month. Thanks guys, I want to thank you for everything, and let's go knock it out. Have a great day. Bye now.